wearing boring old flannels like this? Well, you're in for a treat today. I'm gonna show you how to turn a flannel into a skirt. I'm so excited. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. I'm going to show you step by step of what I did. Okay, first thing, you need a flannel, safety pin, and right here I'm just buttoning it up. This is like the most important part. I'm just pulling the ends inside and pinning them. So this process is a lot of tucking, pulling, pinning. So you just pull and pin it to your liking, however short, however long you want it, and that's it. This is the finished look of the flannel skirt. So here it is. So it's very simple and easy. So if you do this skirt tutorial, make sure you tag me so I can comment and show y'all some love. I will be having more DIY hacks, more fashion hacks coming soon. So stay tuned.